Hello everyone. Every day we use the internet. When we open a website or send a message, a computer network is working in the background. In this video, I will explain what is a computer network is. My name is Sanchit. Welcome to my channel SanchitGurukul. Let us start. First, we will understand what is a computer network. A computer network means two or more devices connected to it. These devices can be communicate with each other. Devices can be computers, mobile phones, servers, or printer. The connection can be done using the cable or wireless. Here you can see in the image a few devices is connected through the cable wired connection and few devices connected through the wireless access point. A computer network helps devices to share data. In simple words, a computer network allows devices to talk to each other. Let us understand this with a simple example. You send a message from your mobile phone. Your phone send the message to server on the internet. The server send the message to your friend phone. Your phone, the server, and your friend's phone are connected to a computer network. Because of this network, the message reaches very fast. Without a computer network, this communication is not possible. Now let us understand why computer network is important. First, computer networks help us to share data. We can share files, images, videos. Second, computer network help us to share resources. For example, many computers can use one printer or one internet connection. Network helps in communication. We will use email, video calls and chat because of network. In offices, schools and companies, networks are very important. Without network, every computer will work as a standalone device. It cannot communicate, it cannot share data to each other. Now we will discuss about the devices used in a computer network, or you can say in the other word, the devices used to build a computer network. A computer network is made using the different devices. Some devices create data like computers and mobile phones. Some devices help data move like switches and routers. Switches help devices talk inside a network. Router helps connect different networks. Each device has a special role in the computer network. Together, these devices make a network work. Now we will understand how data moves in the network. When data is sent over a network, it does not move as a big file. The data is broken into the small parts. These small parts are called packets. Packets move through the network one by one. They pass through the switches and routers. At the destination, packets join together again. This process happens very fast in few seconds only. Now we will understand where computer networks are used. Computer networks are used everywhere. They are used at home for Wi-Fi. They are used in office and schools, in college campus. They are used in banks, hospitals, and data centers. The internet is the biggest computer network in the world, which connecting the different region, different continent. Now, let us quickly recap. A computer network connects two or more devices. It helps devices communicate and share data. It uses cable or Wi-Fi to communicate or connect through each other. Data moves in small packets and data transfer in very few seconds. This was the basic idea of a computer network. In the next video, I will explain types of computer networks. If video help you, please like and subscribe to Sanchit Gurukul. Thank you for watching. This is Sanchit. See you in the next video. Thank you.